Hey, today I wanted to just go over a few tools that you can use in your small business to help elevate your brand a little bit. With everything going on, we know digital marketing is more useful and more necessary than ever. And so today I'm going to talk about some content tools that you can use to sort of bring an extra level to your business. So the first thing I'm going to start talking about is stock photo resource. So if you've ever seen stock photos, they look really awful. Some of them just look really fake, bad, staged, and you don't want that. And a lot of times you can't afford to always go out and hire a photographer or a videographer every week or every month just to produce content for social media. So using stock photos is a great way to create original content, more or less, utilizing these photos. So the first website that you can use is called Unsplash. Unsplash uses real photographers from around the world that choose to upload their photos to this website. So once you land on unsplash.com, there's a few ways you can search. You can type in any word you want. For example, you can type in medicine and it'll pull up every photo that photographer has tagged medicine or medication on, or any related sort of keyword. You can also search by topics on the top toolbar, where you can scroll and find related topics based on maybe current events or what's going on in the world. They have curators at this website that will pick and choose different collections that you can pick from. I'm gonna show you the other website now. So the other website is called pexels.com. That's spelled P-E-X-E-L-S.com. And Pexels is really great. They have a more urban feel to their stock photos. Once again, all these photos and videos are contributed by real photographers and real videographers for the sole purpose or multi-purpose of allowing small businesses or large businesses to use. I like Pexels for a lot of our urban brands. They have a more down-to-earth feel. They're color corrected in such a way that they look professionally taken and they don't even come across as stock. They even have a huge library of videos, and every day they're adding more and more videos because of their contributors. So this is a great way to find photos for your business and really use real authentic content to elevate your brand. Now, say you have a photo or a video and you want to remove the background. Maybe there's something there, you just don't want it. You want it on a plain white background. Maybe you want to edit the video so there's text and there's something really distracting in the background. You can go to a website called Unscreen.com. So once you get to Unscreen.com, it's really simple. You just upload your video to the website and it will automatically remove the background and just keep your subject left. And you can add anything you want in the background, and you can see here on their website an example of what that looks like. You can also find GIFs that are uploaded and do the same with that. So be sure to utilize this website if you want to create some unique content. The next tool I'm going to show you is a tool called Veed. So Veed is a really simple editing tool, so you don't need to have any third-party software. It's really affordable. It's a monthly payment system, but it's totally worth it. Veed allows you to sort of create unique videos, having text. You might have seen them on Facebook or Instagram. You can have text overlays, or if you've ever seen a Gary Vee video, he always has a timeline at the bottom that shows you how much time is left until the video's over. You can animate text, you can add images, you can drag and drop anything you want. It also has some extra features like transcribing audio to text. And then it also will take a podcast, just an audio, and you can add some visuals to it. And it'll sort of create like an animated version, a video version of just audio. It's really unique, really interesting. You have a bunch of creative features such as filters and adding subtitles and auto transcribe, and you can trim and add text to videos. You can even draw on them. So really interesting tool and a good way to get creative with your videos. The last thing I want to talk about is a tool that'll help you write copy. So we know that email marketing is still useful and still prevalent and needs to be used by small businesses. All of these tools that I showed you today are really simple, really affordable, cheap, or free that if you use daily can really help grow your brand and grow your audience. You can really get a strong following on social media or just getting people to read your emails through email marketing. So say you're using MailChimp or Constant Contact or some form of email marketing to communicate with your clients, and you just get stuck and you don't know what to do this week. You ran out of ideas. Maybe the design is sort of lackluster. One thing you can do is go to this website called Really Good Emails. Really Good Emails utilizes a collection of real emails from their database, from real companies such as Disney and Apple and Pinterest and Litmus. It just collects all these emails and segregates them into different topics. Maybe one is a thank you for signing up for my newsletter email. Maybe one is just, hey, we have a sale this weekend. And you have examples of all these emails on their website that you can get inspired from. So please use this tool. Try to do something creative in your marketing. Provide your audience and the people that follow you just new and unique and fun experiences. And these are some few tools that will help you do that. In the future, I'll be doing more of these videos and showing you more tools, and hopefully you enjoyed this. And please follow us on social media or check out our website at cranecreatives.com. Or you can also email us at info@cranecreatives.com. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.